Okay, so for this video, I wanted to do a what I eat in a day to lose weight. I have gained some weight during quarantine. I mean, this year has been a bit hectic, but I have been trying to eat healthier and work out more. So I thought I'd share some of the things that have helped me lose the weight that I've gained and in my fitness journey. So we're gonna start with breakfast. So starting off, I'm gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats and about a cup of almond milk. I really like making this because it's fast and I can switch it up by adding different toppings, so that way it doesn't get too boring for me. I recently started adding this into my oatmeal, and it's the acai puree that you use to make the smoothie bowls, and I just spread it over the top of my oatmeal and it just enhances the flavor. It tastes so good. I love it, especially when I add either peanut butter or almond butter. This is the almond butter that I mentioned earlier. I usually like to add it in and then mix it all together with the fruits and the rest of the oats. Right here, I'm just adding some chia seeds because I want to be fancy. And this is my bowl. For lunch, I'm gonna make some avocado toast. So I put the bread in the oven, but you don't have to do that. You can put it in a toaster. Sometimes if I am a little more hungry and I want this to be a little more filling, I will add some tuna or chicken, and then I'll just mix it all together. Now I'm just gonna chop up some cilantro and try not to cut my finger and just add that in. So now I'm just mixing it all together and putting it on top of the toast. And this is my lunch. So for dinner, I added a tablespoon of avocado butter into 3/4 of a cup of rice with water, a teaspoon of lemon zest, and then some salt and pepper, and then I just let that cook while I make the sauce for the chicken. Just mixing all of that up, and then for the sauce I'm adding a cup of almond milk, or you can use heavy cream, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, some lemon, and I'm also adding in some lemon zest. Yes, I'm zesting my lemon with a potato peeler. And I'm also gonna cut up some chives. All of the measurements are gonna be in the description. And I'm not going to add that much seasoning or salt to the chicken just because the sauce that I made, I'm going to be adding half of a chicken bouillon cube, and that will have enough salt. Here I let the chicken cook until only halfway, and I added the sauce and half of a chicken bouillon, and then I just let it cook in a medium heat for the rest of the way until the sauce thickened and the chicken was done. But yeah, this is one of my favorite dishes to eat for dinner. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.